Hello everyone, today we are discussing about the 60 questions UGC Net paper 1. So let's start. Question number 1. As the following दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, list 1 scholar and list 2 areas. Aryabhatta astronomy, A4 Konath, B1 atomic theory, ठीक है, and Sushruth surgery, C2 and Nagarjuna alchemy, ठीक है, D3. So option number 4 was the correct answer. Question number 1. Next, question number 2. Which of the following statement about the university is correct? UP Rajarashi, London University, Open University was established 1999. This statement was correct. And Kota University established in 2003. This is incorrect because Kota University established in 1987. ठीक है. And Madhya Pradesh Bhoja Open University was established in 1992. This is correct. So A and 3 was correct and 2 was incorrect. So option number 3 was the correct answer. A and 3. A 1 and 3. Next. Question number 3. Apart from the specialization is one subject area, product of the higher education are also expected to be dash in the context of national development. Option number 1. Sensitive and proactive towards the emerging concern and issue was the correct answer. Option number 1. Next. Question number 4. Sridharaya Karnataka University attended a celebrity status during the period of option number 1. Sage Nagarjuna was the correct answer. Next, question number 5. When was the NIC NET program launched in India? 1987. Option number 1 was the correct answer. Next, question number 6. The 10th 5-year plan recognized the importance of option number 3. Information communication technology. Or information technology was the correct answer. Next, question number 7. The scheme of basic education by Gandhiji formulated which of the following proposal? According to the capacity of the children's and needs locality, education should be craft oriented. This is correct. And spinning, weaving, and cardboard and woodwork, leather work, kitchen, and gardening, agriculture, fishery, etc. suggested for the suitable crafts in the basic education. This is also correct. And all subjects are taught were integrally associated with the selected crafts. This is also correct. And statement 4. Social and scientific implication. Selected crafts must be taught. So option number 4 be also correct answer. So option number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 was the correct answer. Okay, question number 7. Next, question number 8. Which of the following university rank 1 QS World University rank 2023? Option number 1. Massachusetts University Technology was the correct answer. MIT. ठीक है. Next, question number 9. The modern system of higher education in India traced back to 1857 was established the universities Bombay, Calcutta and Madras was the correct answer. A, B and E. So option number 4 was the correct answer. A, B, E. Next, question number 10. NCVET deals with the field of option number 4 vocational education was the correct answer. Next, question number 11. Which of the following were UGC recommendation on the quality assurance? Discrimination, unviable college and universities, it is incorrect. And creating a parallel accreditation agency, private universities, this is also incorrect. And adoption of the total quality management practice, this is correct. And sustaining the quality through the innovation and creativity, this is also correct. And establishing the suitable assessment and accreditation system, this is also correct. So option number 3 was the correct answer. C, D and E. Next, question number 12. Which of the following Which among which the following is not a Buddhist monastic university? Option number 2, Takshila was the correct answer. Next, where was a ancient learning center Vallabhi located? Option number 2, Gujarat was the correct answer. Next, question number 14, National Education Policy 2020 emphasize on setup which fund? Option number 4, Gender Inclusion Fund was the correct answer. Next, next question, Unnato Unnato Bharat Abhiyan is flagship program initiated by Ministry of Education, Government of India. This statement was correct. And Unnato Bharat Abhiyan or UBA focus on the holistic development of the urban areas and considering the various aspects such as infrastructure, education, healthcare, livelihood and empowerment and environmental sustainability. This statement was incorrect. So option number 3 was the correct answer. Statement 1 was correct. Statement 2 was incorrect. Next, question number 16. Consider the following statement about the deemed university was correct. They are highly performing institutions. This statement was correct. They are declared by the central government. This is also correct. And they are approved by recommendation of MHRD. This is also correct. And they have a right to affiliated college. This is incorrect. So option number 1, ABC was the correct answer. Next, question number 17. Which of the following which of the following ground that discrimination of the citizen for the admission to educational institutions in India constitutionally prohibited? Religion and race and sex and place of birth was the correct answer. Option number 2. ठीक है, A and B. And nationality and color and age and nativity, this is incorrect. So option number 2 was the correct answer, A and B. Next, question number 18. For ensuring the sustainability in quality ethos of the university environment, which of the following would be considered the high priority skill of vice chancellor? Option number 1, administrative skills was the correct answer. Next, question number 19. Which of the following are the goals of higher education? Access, equity, quality and excellence, and value based education was the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So option number 4 was the correct answer. ठीक है, and compulsory free education, it was incorrect. So option number 4 was the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है. Question number 20. The first open university in India established in the year of 1982 was the correct answer. First state open university was established 1982, India, Himrao Ambedkar Open University, Hyderabad. Next, question number 21. Which of the following the first completely open sources mobile operating system developed by Google, and meaning that it's free to any cell phone mobile network? Option number 3, Android was the correct answer. Next, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. मैच द फॉलोइंग दिया हुआ है इंटरनेट कीवर्ड्स एंड फंक्शंस. FTP, A4 program that enable the users to transfer the file from one computer to another, and ping, PING, B2 a message sent to check if a server is running. ठीक है, send a message to check if the server is running, B2. And HTML, C1 used to create a hypertext document for use on the website. ठीक है, and HTTP, D3 a set of rules exchange the document on the web. So option number 3 was the correct answer, A4, B2, C1 and D3. Next, in AI, what does G in GPT stands for? Option number 4, generative was the correct answer. Option number 4. Next, question number 24. Choose the correct statement in the context of DBMS. ठीक है. Statement 1, DBMS is a software to create and manage the database. This is correct. And database scheme is designed to designed of the database. This is also correct. And foreign key in a relation in use of the unique identification table. This is incorrect. And primary key is used to relate the two table or relation. This is also incorrect. And SQL stands for structured query language. This is correct. So A, B and U as a correct answer, option number 3. Next, how many megabytes or MB is there? 1 TB or terabyte? Option number 2 was the correct answer. 1048576 MB was the correct answer. ठीक है, यहाँ पर डिटेल्स में आप लोग देख सकते हैं. Next, question number 26. Which of the following define the cloud computing? Option number 2, a model for enable the convenient on demand of the network access to share the pool of the configurable computing resources was the correct answer, option number 2. Next, question number 27. Which of the following was not a security risk? Option number 2, firewall was the correct answer. Next, question number 28. Under ICT initiative, Ministry of Education MOE, which of the following provide the hand-on experience on embedded system? FOSSE, virtual lab and E-Yantra was the correct answer. B, C and D. Srodhganga was incorrect. So B, C, D was the correct answer, option number 4. Next, question number 29. Which of the following are the social networking platform? LinkedIn, Reddit and Facebook. A, C, E was the correct answer and B and D was incorrect. So option number 1 was the correct answer. Next, high level programming language can be converted to the machine language using which of the following? Option number 2, compiler was the correct answer. Next, question number 31. Which of the following technologies is primarily used in the modern monitor for better image quality and color accuracy? Option number 3, OLED, organic light emitting diodes was the correct answer, option number 3. Next, question number 32. Rita smartphone use on open source operating system. Which of the following best describe the source code in an open source operating system? Option number 2, it is made available to users was the correct answer, option number 2. Next, question number 33. Which of the following is the types of malware? Option number 1, virus, option number 2, worms, and option number 3, ransomware, and option number D, Trojan horse or Trojan. So option number 3, A, B, C, D was the correct answer. ठीक है. Next, question number 34. Which of the following is not a view option available in the Microsoft PowerPoint? Option number 4, PowerPoint view was the print preview view was the correct answer, option number 4. Next, question number 35. Which of the following memory is volatile? Option number 1, RAM was the correct answer. Next, which of the following correctly list the data units in increasing order of size? Option number 1, bytes, kilobytes, megabytes and gigabytes was the correct answer, option number 1. Next, the overheaded projector is used for? Option number 3, transparencies was the correct answer, option number 3, transparencies. Next, question number 38. Which of the following statement are correct? A domain name is a human readable address that corresponds to the IP address. This is correct. And HTTP is a protocol that secures the communication over a computer network. This is also correct. And the Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the physical connection of device to the internet and allowing them to collect and exchange the data. This is also correct. So all of these option number 4 A, B, C was the correct answer. Next question number 39. Which of the following statement was best to describe a wiki? Option number 1, a website that allows the multiple users to collaborate and create information was the correct answer. Option number 1. Next question number 40. यहाँ पर लिस्ट 1 and 2 दिया हुआ, सेट 1 and 2 डिजिटल इनिशिएटिव्स एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन मैच करना होगा. फर्स्ट में आएगा स्वयं. A3 focuses on the access, equity and quality of education policy, and E-Pathshala B2 showcasing the and disseminating all educational e-resources, and Swayamprabha C4 to broadcast the educational content with dedicated channels, and E-Vidyan D1 to create an information exchange networking opportunities among the scientists. So option number 3 was the correct answer. Next question number 41. When a shift meaning arises within an argument as a consequence of changes in the emphasis given to its word or parts is said to which of the following fallacies? Option number 3, assent was the correct answer. Next question number 42. When the conclusion of an argument follow from its premises necessarily, this argument was called. Option number 4, deductive argument was the correct answer. Next question number 43. If the statement all cows are herbivores is given true, which of the following statement immediately true inferred to true? Option number 2, some cows are herbivores was the correct answer. Option number 2. Next question number 44. The inferences or anumana is Indian logic is rooted in. Option number 4, invariable concomitance between the middle term and major term was the correct answer. Next question number 45. According to the Nayakas, and Upanaya in the Partha Anumana refers to. Option number 1, statement of the presence of mark in the case in question was the correct answer. Option number 1. Next question number 46. What kind of fallacy does the following statement indicates? Hori is a selfish person since he gave his life for others. Option number 2 was the correct answer. Fallacy of contradiction was the correct answer. Next question number 47. According to classical Indian logic, Naya, which of the following argument committed the fallacy irregular middle? Option number 3, sound is eternal because it is audible was the correct answer. Next, according to Advaitins or Advaitins, this is not that represent. Option number 3, Ananya Bhava was the correct answer. Ananya Bhava was the correct answer. Option number 3. Next, question number 49. Which of the following example of the categorical syllogism? Option number 2, all men are mortal and Socrates is a man, therefore Socrates is a mortal. So option number 2 was the correct answer. Next, question number 50. What type of inductive reasoning is illustrated by the following argument? Most students in the class are above average in math. John is in the class, so John probably above average in math. This is the fallacy of statistical syllogism. Option number 3. Next, question number 51. What can be said about the inductive argument? A, provide the probable support for its conclusion. This is correct. And if the premises are true, conclusion must be true. This is incorrect. And the conclusion is more likely true if the premises is true. Premises are true. this is correct. And the follow the necessarily from the premises, this is incorrect. And it is possible for the premises to true and the conclusion false, this is correct. So A, C and E was the correct answer, option number 2. Next, question number 52. Which of the following statement are logically equivalent? Option number 4, A and D was the correct answer. Some animals are herbivores and some animals are not non-herbivores. So A and D was correct answer, option number 4. Next, question number 53. What can be correctly claimed about the following? The ground is wet because it rained last night. Option number 3. It's a non-argument, it's an explanation. Option number 3 was the correct answer. Next, question number 54. What can correctly inferred that mode AEE in 4 figure? Option number 4. Middle term appears as a predicate in the major premises was the correct answer, option number 4. Next, question number 55. Which of the following statement is correct? Statement 1. First type of the Krishna's description has been Mundaka Upanishad. This is incorrect. And Gayatri Mantra is dedicated to Soma. This is also incorrect. And Veda means knowledge. It is correct. And Rig Veda is divided into 10 mandalas. This is correct. So option number 4 was the correct answer. 3 and 4. Next question number 56. A person does not know what a squirrel is. He or she is told by a forester that it is small animal like rat, but it has long furry, tall and strip on its body. This is an example of option number 1. Upamana was the correct answer. What is correct about the Vasma Vyapti? विषम व्यक्ति के बारे में कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है? ऑप्शन नंबर 2. यूनिवर्सल प्रोपोजिशन of which only subject is distributed was the correct answer. A universal proportions of which only subject is distributed was the correct answer, option number 2. Next, question number 58. A hypothetical proportion, the statement that follow if, is known as the option number 4. Antecedent was the correct answer, option number 4. Next, question number 59. Name of the fallacy committed. The following: all students in the class are attend. Some student people are good learners. Therefore, some students in the class are good learners. This is the fallacy of no fallacy, option number 3. Next, question number 60, or today's last question. Which of the following is best defined discursive reasoning or hypothetical argument in Indian logic? Option number 2. Tarka was the correct answer. तो डन. इस तरह की वीडियो पाने के लिए प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग. एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क क्वेश्चन. प्लीज आंसर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, ठीक है इसका आंसर. इस तरह की वीडियो पाने के लिए प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.